All right, so we're sitting here and we're looking at parts, and as you can see, B right here is being shipped from one warehouse. B is being shipped from one warehouse, and the spark plugs are being shipped from one warehouse, and this air filter right here is being shipped from one warehouse. As you can see, these other two air filters are being shipped from A and C warehouse. So you're getting charged $8.99 from A, you're getting charged from B warehouse $7.99, and C you're getting charged $9.99. So what we want to do is we want to take all of the B's and ship together, so that way we only get one shipping charge. Now you'd figure, $7.99. You'd figure that you're basically going to get $7.99, or it's going to be more because, well, who knows? Why would you? Because you're shipping all these items together from one warehouse. So maybe it would be $10, right? But watch what happens when Rockauto, you take and you delete C. Let's get rid of C. So I'll go ahead and remove C. And there we are. We have A and B warehouses. So this is still being shipped from B. This one's still being shipped from B. This one's being shipped by B. This one's coming from B. And as you can see, that we're only being charged from B $7.99, right? So I want to delete A. And I'm just going to prove how Rockauto is basically cheating its customers on shipping locations. So you got to be careful when you're looking at this, because they're basically telling you that if I delete this A warehouse with another air filter, watch what happens. I remove that, so I'm only shipping from all the B's. There you have it. Now it changed these parts up here from B warehouse, B warehouse. Now it comes from A warehouse, and now it comes from C warehouse. So they're clearly gouging you for money no matter what you do. I would clearly not buy from them when they're sitting there charging you more from three warehouses again. You can't get it to one no matter what you do, and they're the same parts. You can clearly see how they're changing it on you and acting like you're not going to get all of them shipped from B, when clearly they said just a second ago it was all from B warehouse. So you got to be careful with Rockauto. I wouldn't necessarily use them because they're probably all coming from one warehouse anyway, and they're just charging you extra shipping on these prices and stuff. Now they're going to tell you, well, we had to change it because you ordered it differently. That's BS. You clearly seen that these were all coming from B warehouse, and they just changed it because, well, they want to get that shipping from you. So be careful, guys. It's very possible that you're finding out Rockauto's a scam. Your parts are cheaper. You might get them cheaper, but they're getting you on the shipping. So you better be careful. I'm basically telling you right here, I just proved it to you. Rockauto scams you on shipping, and I can go back and do this over and over and over again, and it changes all from B, B, A, C. It keeps doing it. And they clearly showed you before they'd ship it all from one warehouse if you ordered more stuff. So they change it around to suit their needs to get more out of you. Be careful, fellas. It's a scam.